Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Learning Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very important for all English learners, especially beginners.
That's right, Alex. Today we will talk about at the doctor's office useful English phrases.
Visiting a doctor can be stressful if you don't know the words. But don't worry, we will make it simple and easy.
By the end of this lesson, you will know how to make an appointment, explain your symptoms, understand the doctor, and ask about medicine.
And the best part? We will use real-life examples like family, hobbies, daily life, and work.
Plus, we will ask you to repeat and practice with us. You can even write in the comments about your own experiences.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. It helps us create more lessons for you.
Okay, Alex, let's get started. The first thing we need to learn is making an appointment with the doctor.
When you need to see a doctor, you usually call the clinic first. Here are some simple phrases. Hello, I would like to make an appointment. Is Dr. Smith available tomorrow? I need to see a doctor. Do you have any available times?
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I would like to make an appointment. Do you have any available times?
Great. You can also ask about the type of doctor. Is this a general doctor? Do you have a dentist available?
Real-life example. Last week, I called the clinic and said, "Hello, I need to make an appointment with the doctor. Is 10 a.m. available?"
Perfect. That is exactly how you talk to the receptionist.
When you arrive at the clinic, you usually talk to the receptionist. Here are some phrases. Hello, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 a.m. My name is Sarah Khan. I am here for a checkup.
Practice with me. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10 a.m. I'm here for a checkup.
The receptionist might ask you some questions. Do you have your ID? Have you been here before? What is the reason for your visit?
Real-life example. Last month I said, I am here for a headache. The receptionist asked for my ID, and I gave it to her.
This is the most important part, telling the doctor how you feel. Here are simple phrases. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I feel dizzy. I have a fever. I am feeling very tired.
Real-life example. Last month I said, I am here for a headache. The receptionist asked for my ID, and I gave it to her.
And you can describe the pain. The pain is sharp. The pain is mild. It hurts when I move.
You can also say how long you have had the problem. I have had this headache for 2 days. I have felt sick since yesterday.
Great. Always try to give details. The doctor can help you better if they know exactly how you feel.
Real-life example. I told the doctor I have a sore throat for 3 days and it hurts when I swallow.
And when the doctor talks, you can say, "Can you please repeat that? I don't understand. Can you explain?" Thank you, I understand now.
Sometimes the doctor will ask questions. Here are simple phrases. Where does it hurt? Do you have any allergies? Have you taken any medicine? Do you have any other symptoms?
Real-life example. Last time, the doctor said some words I did not know. I said, "Can you please explain?" and the doctor used simpler words. If the doctor gives you medicine, you can ask questions like, how do I take this medicine? How many times a day should I take it? Should I take it before or after food? Are there any side effects?
Practice with me. Can you please repeat that? I don't understand. Can you explain?
Real-life example. I asked my doctor, how many times a day should I take this medicine, and wrote it down in my notebook.
And you can repeat the instructions to be sure. So, I take this medicine twice a day, after breakfast and dinner. Correct.
Real-life example. I asked my doctor, how many times a day should I take this medicine, and wrote it down in my notebook.
Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
Repeat after us. I have a headache. I need to see a doctor. I have felt sick since yesterday. Can you please explain? How do I take this medicine?
Great. Now write these phrases in the comments below. We would love to see your practice.
You can also make your own example. For instance, say, I have a back pain for 2 days.
Let's quickly review all the phrases we learned today. Making an appointment. I would like to make an appointment. Do you have any available times? Checking in. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith. I am here for a checkup. Explaining symptoms. I have a headache. I feel dizzy. The pain is sharp. Understanding the doctor. Can you please repeat that? I don't understand. Can you explain? Asking about medicine. How do I take this medicine? Are there any side effects?
Remember, practice makes perfect. Use these phrases when you go to a doctor or even with friends to practice.
That's all for today's lesson at the doctor's office. We hope you learn a lot and feel more confident.
Yes. Don't forget to subscribe to English in Real Life, like this video, and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And now, for our question of the day.
Tell us in the comments, what is one symptom you know how to say in English?
We would love to read your answers and practice with you.
Thank you so much for listening to English Learning Podcast. Keep practicing, stay healthy, and see you next time.
Bye everyone. Stay safe and keep learning English.